Good morning, my dear students. Before class, I was explained that is the linear differential equation. That is the last type of the differential equation. Now, today we are going to the remaining problems of the exercise 9.6. Before class, I explained the 7 problems. Now, we are going to the 8th problem. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now, what is the 8th problem is going on? Solve 1 plus x square into dy plus 2xy into dx is equal cot x into dx plus. You remember that one? It is must and should in the form of dy by dx or dx by dy, dy by dx plus p of x into y. Dy by dx coefficient always equal to 1, my dear students. Now, here compulsory observe that dy by dx coefficient always must and should is equal to 1 means here first divided by dx, here dx is there, here dx is there. Okay, now here 1 plus x is there. Now the total equation is divided with 1 plus x square into dx divided with. Now what happened? 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. What happened here? Dy by dx plus here dx cancel. Left remaining is 2xy by 1 plus x square. Okay, is equal to here dx cancel cot x by 1 plus x square. I hope that you understood or not. Yes, cot x by 1 plus x square. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to p of x. P of x is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Q of x is equal to cot x by 1 plus x square. The problem was very big, but the answer is very simple. Now integrating factor is equal to e power 2x by 1 plus x square dx, that equal e power f dash of x by f of x log mod f of x, e log cancel, that equal 1 plus x square. Now we will write the solution of equation number 1. The general solution of equation 1 is y into integrating factor 1 plus x square is equal integral of integrating factor 1 plus x square into q of x means cot x by 1 plus x square dx. Here 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. Integral of cot x dx. What the formula is going on? Log mod sin x plus this is y into 1 plus x square. Now this is the solution for this problem. In this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Before class I explained lot of problems. Okay, I hope that you understood that problems. Again I explained the some more problems. Now okay, my dear students, please read the question. X into dy by dx plus y minus x plus xy cot x. I hope that you understood or not. First dy by dx. Here independent variable x means function p of x into y. P of x into y means here observe that here y is there. Now 100% taken common y. Now divide by x first. Divide by x after taken common d. Okay, dy by dx plus here taken common first y into here 1 plus here x cot x by x. I hope that you understood or not. Here that is equal, here minus x is there, minus x means plus x by x means 1. This is equation number 1. Divide by x, after that taken common y, we will get the answer. Now where is the p of x is equal, what is the p of x? Here this one, total is p of x. What is that? 1 by x plus x cot x by x means cot x. Q of x is equal to constant, that is 1. Now integrating factor is equal, I hope that understood, this one by this one, e power integral of p dx, e power integral of 1 by x plus cot x dx, that equal e power integral of 1 by x means log x plus integral of cot x means log mod sin x. No problem at all. Okay, that equal e power log a plus log b, log of x sin x, that equal e log cancel, that is x sin x. Now write the solution. Okay, my dear students. Now general solution of 1 is y into integrating factor x sin x is equal to integrating factor is x into sin x into dx 1. Now compulsory by parts. I late algebraic after trigonometry. Okay, my dear students, this is first function, this is second function. What happened? First f of x into integral of sin x minus cos x minus derivative of x means 1, integral of sin x means minus cos x dx, that equal minus x cos x, minus into minus plus, integral of cos x means sin x plus c. This is y into x sin x. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay. We are going to the next problem. X plus y into dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, this is also very important question, but we will convert it into the homogeneous differential equation type, either first model or second model. Okay. Now x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 1. Here from this one, dy by dx is equal to 100% 1 by x plus y. Whenever it is 1 by x plus y, we cannot means change into the this one. Here x means 100% the function in terms of x into y. It is possible or not? Not possible. Okay, that's why reverse. Dy by dx means I will write dx by dy. This is also both side reciprocal will take, that is equal, this is x plus y. Here what is the function? Here the independent variable is y means 100% the functions p and q are in terms of y means, okay, p and q means is after is equal 100% in terms of y that side, therefore dx by dy minus x is equal to y, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah, here dx by dy means here x coefficient is minus 1, q of y is y. Now p of y is equal to minus 1, q of y is equal to y. I hope that understood or not. Yes. Now integrating factor is equal e power integral p dy, e power integral of minus 1 dy, that equal e power minus y, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now write the general solution of 1 is, what is the one? This one. Here dependent variable x into dependent variable into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of y means y dy. Here, okay, we apply the sign rule, but e power y into y not. Here e power minus y is there. That's why you will take minus y equal something t, change first of all. After that you will apply the what is the chain rule. Y is dy is equal to minus dt. Okay. Now substitute what happened, this one, integral of minus y means t, y means minus t. Okay, my dear students, dy means minus dt. No problem at all. E power minus y into y dy. Minus y is equal to t, dy equal minus dt, substitute. Okay, here minus into minus plus, integral of e power t into t dt. Now chain rule you apply, e power t, e power f of x into f of x means t minus 1, after that is 0 plus c. E power t means e power minus y into t value is minus y minus 1 plus c, that is x into e power minus y. Now both side divide with e power minus y. E power minus y divide means this one cancels, c by e power minus y. Therefore x is equal to minus of y plus 1 plus c into e power y. Okay, this is the answer, my dear students. Divide here, divide by e power minus, both side divide by e power minus y. Okay, each and every term we will divide with e power minus y, my dear students. Okay, hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Very important question. Y dx plus x minus y square into, first we will write the dy by dx, after that it is possible or not we will observe that. Okay, now here y dx plus that side 100% minus means you will x minus y square means minus x plus y square means y square minus x into dy. Okay, my dear students, now dy by dx not possible. For suppose dy by dx means this is this side, splitting is not possible, but dx by dy is equal to, this is this side, this is this side. What happened, my dear student? Y square minus x by y. Clearly observe that with respect to y means independent variable is y, means q of y is after is equal to 100% the function in terms of y only. Now separation is going on, y square by y minus x by y, minus x by y this side. Now dx by dy plus x by y is equal to y. Okay, this is equation number 1. Here p of y is equal to 1 by y, q of y is equal to y. Simple, just change the equation in linear differential equation type. Okay, Now integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dy, e power integral of 1 by y dy, e power log y, that equal y only. Now general solution of 1 is x into independent variable, x into integrating factor is equal integrating factor into what, the integrating factor, y into integrating factor y into q of y is y dy, x into y is equal to integral of y square dy. Okay my dear students, what happened this one, integral of y square dy means y cube by 3 plus c, this is x into y, x into y. Okay, now divide both side y per, suppose what happened, both side divided by y means 100% divided by y. Now x is equal to y square by 3 plus c by y. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. C by y. Okay my dear students, this is okay my dear students. Next question we are going to x plus 3y square into x plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to y. This is also very important question my dear students. Okay, now we are going to the next question. This is this one. Here from this one, dy by dx is equal to what happened my dear students, y by x plus 3y square. Okay, now reciprocal we will take dx by dy is equal to reciprocal, it is not possible. Okay, x plus 3y square by y. Now separation, dx by dy is equal to x by y plus 3y square by y means 3y. Now what happened, dx by dy minus x by y is equal to 3y. Here p of y is equal minus 1 by y, q of y is equal 3y. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Now integrating factor my dear students, where this one comparison completed. Now integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dy, e power integral of p means minus 1 by y dy, e power minus log y, that equal e power minus log y means log of 1 by y, logarithm e cancelled by formula. The answer is 1 by y. Now general solution, 1 is equation 1 is this one, is dependent way x into 1 by y, integrating factor 1 by y into 3y dy, y cancel, therefore x by y is equal to integral of 3 dy means 3y. Okay, now both side multiplying with plus c. Now cross multiplication, x is equal to 3y square plus cy. This is the answer for this question my dear students. Okay my dear students, next question, solve dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x. 100% it is dy by dx. Before 3 problems 100% dx by dy. Here y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3 means 100% we will find the constant value. Already I explained before, means homogeneous and variable separable method, I explained that one. Now here observe that this is equation number 1, no doubt, no change at all, dy by dx coefficient is 1. Now here independent variable x means the function in terms of x, the total y coefficient means tan x, this is p of x. P of x is equal to 2 tan x, q of x is equal to 100% sin x my dear students. Okay, I hope that. Now integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dx, e power 2 is constant, integral of tan x dx. Integral of tan x means two formulas are there, minus log secant x or minus log cos x or log secant x, that equal e power 2 log mod secant x. Here m log a, that equal e power log secant square x. Okay my dear students, now e log cancel, the answer is secant square x. Now integrating factor is secant, 100% the integrating factor is equal to secant square x. Now write the general solution. What the general solution is going on? Now general solution of 1, y dependent variable y into integrating factor means secant square x, integrating factor secant square x into sin x. What is this one? Secant square x means write as 1 secant x secant square x write as secant x into secant x. 1 secant x 1 by cos x. Sin by cos means tan x dx. I hope that understood. 1 secant x write as 1 by cos x. Sin by cos means tan x dx. Integral of secant x into tan x means secant x plus c. What happened here? Y into secant square x. Y into secant square x is equal to secant x plus c. This is equation number 2. But y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3 is given. Okay, y value 0 means this is total 0 is equal secant 60 plus c. What is the value of secant 60? 2. 2 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to minus 2. Substitute in 2. The general solution of 1 is y into secant square x is equal to secant x plus c means minus 2. Okay, this is the answer for that question, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the problem? What the problem is going on? 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, my dear students. Okay. Now here always I explained dy by dx quotient always 100% 1 means divided by 1 plus x square. Both side divided by 1 plus x square. What happened here? Dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square whole square. Don't confuse. Okay, my dear friends. Now what happened here? Directly write this is p of x, this is q of x. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dx. P means 2x by 1 plus x square dx. I explained a lot of problems, 13 problems. Okay. That equal to e power f dash of x by f of x. Here 2x by 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. That is log mod 1 plus x square. Logarithm a c cancel. That is 1 plus x square. Okay, my dear friends. What happened this one? Now general solution. Now the general solution of equation 1. The general solution of equation 1 is dependent variable y into integrating factor 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus x square into 1 by 1 plus x square whole square dx. 1 plus x square cancel, my dear friends. Okay. Now y into 1 plus x square is equal to remaining integral of 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x plus c. This is equation number 2. But here given clearly x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means 100% this is 0. Y into 0 and something 0 is equal here tan inverse of 1 plus c. Tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4 plus c is equal to 0. Now c is equal to minus pi by 4. Substituting 2. Now the required solution is the general solution of 1 is y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse of x plus c means minus pi by 4. This is the answer. I hope that you understood the problem. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, my dear friends, we are going to the next problem. Dy by dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sin 2x, where y is equal to and x is equal to pi by 2. Now directly comparison. Dy by quotient is 1. Okay, y quotient minus 3 cot x. P of x is equal minus 3 cot x. Q of x is equal to sin 2x. Simply. Okay, my dear friends. Now what happened, my dear friends? Integrating factor is equal, directly we will write integral of e power minus 3 cot x dx. I hope that. Now e power minus 3 integral of cot x means log sin x. Okay. Now that equal e power log sin x whole power minus 3 means 1 by sin cube x. M log a means log a to the power of m. Sin x whole power minus 3. A to the power of m means 1 by a power m. Here no dx is there. That is equal to e log cancel. That equal to 1 by sin. By using formula, okay, e power log a power log x base a means that equal x. That equal 1 by sin cube x. Now the general solution of equation 1 is y into integrating factor 1 by sin cube x is equal integral of 1 by sine cube x into sine 2x dx. Okay, my dear students, what happened this one? Integral of 1 by sine cube x into sine 2x formula, 2 sin x cos x dx, 1 sin x cancel. Okay, 2 into integral of, here sine square is there, sine square write as sin x into sin x, cos by sine cot x, again 1 by sine is there, cosecant x dx. Integral of cosecant x into cot x means minus cosecant x, minus 2 cosecant x plus c. Okay, my dear students, this is y by sine cube x, y by sine cube x. Okay, now what happened this one? Multiply, cross multiplication, what happened this one? Y is equal to minus 2 cosecant x into sine cube x plus c sine cube x. Cosecant means 1 by sine, therefore y is equal to minus 2 sine square x plus c sine cube x. This is equation number 2. Now here y is equal to x is equal to 90, x is equal to 90, y is equal to, substitute 2 is equal to sin 90 is 1 minus 2 plus c, c is equal to 4. Okay, now substituting 2. Observe that or not? Y value 2, sin 90 1 minus 2, here sin 90 1, c into 1 1, therefore y is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus c means 4 sin cube x. Okay, my dear students, very simple, this method is very simple. Okay, now read the question, my dear students. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin, means lastly we substitute x equal 0, y equal 0. What is given? That the slope of the tangent to the curve. First of all, this is the curve, this is the slope of the tangent at p, that is x comma y is given. Slope of the tangent at x comma y is, that is dy by dx. Okay, is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. What are the coordinates? X comma y are the coordinates. Sum means x plus y. According to the problem, what is given? According to the question, the differential equation is, what is given? Clearly observe that the slope of the tangent, clearly slope of the tangent is means dy by dx at any point in the curve x comma y, okay, equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. X comma y means x plus y. Here dx, dy by dx means x is the independent function of q of x, purely x means y this side. Now dy by dx is equal minus what happened this one? Minus y into x. Okay, now here p of y, p of x is equal to minus 1, q of x is equal to x. Okay, my dear friends, now integrating factor, directly we will find e power integral of minus 1 dx, that equal e power minus x. Now write the general solution of 1. 1 is, what happened? Y into e power minus x is equal to integral of e power minus x into x dx. Okay, my dear students, now minus x is equal to same, no problem at all. Minus dx is equal to dt, means dx is equal to minus dt, that equal to e power t, here minus t dt means dt. Now chain rule, e power t into t minus 1. Okay, my dear students. Okay, e power t means e power minus x into minus x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is y into e power minus x. Here both sides divided with e power minus x, divided with e power minus x. What happened, my dear students? Y is equal to e power x cancel, here also minus of x plus 1 plus c by e power minus x means c into e power. This is equation number 2. But x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 is given. Passing through origin clearly is mentioned. Substitute 0 is equal to, here x value is 0 means this is minus 1 plus c into e power 0 means 1. Therefore c value is equal to 1. Substituting 2. Now the solution I am writing here. Okay, the required solution is, okay, my dear students, what I want? C value 1, substitute here, therefore y minus x plus 1 this side plus x plus 1 is equal to c into, c value is 1, that equal e power x. x plus y plus 1 is equal to c power x. This is the solution for this given differential equation, my dear students. Observe that. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah. Okay, my dear student, what is given? Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0 comma 2, given that the sum of the coordinates of n, or according to the given question. Okay, according to question, we have clearly observed that. Okay, sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve, for suppose x comma y be any point on the curve px comma y. Okay, sum of the coordinates means x plus y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve exceeds, means increases, the magnitude of the slope of the tangent is dy by dx, exceeds dy by dx. How much? At a point by 5. How much is increases? 5 increases. Okay, very simple. Here dy by dx means 100% the function in terms of q of x after is equal to 100% in x plus y this side. Therefore, how to write dy by dx is equal to plus y this side minus y plus 5 that side, that equal x minus 5. Simple. This is equation number 1. Now here p of x is equal to minus 1, q of x is equal to x minus 5. Okay, my dear students. Now integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dx, e power integral of minus 1 dx, that equal to e power minus x. Now write the general solution of 1 is y into e power minus x is equal to, what happened this one, integral of e power minus x into x minus 5 dx. Now separation is going on here, e power minus x into x dx minus 5 into e power minus x dx. What is the solution of this one? E power minus x into x, e power minus x into minus x minus 1. Okay, minus e power minus x integration. Already before I explained lot of times, before once we will see this one. Okay, e power minus x, integral of e power minus x, e power minus x by minus 1, already minus is there, plus 5 into e power minus x plus c. This is y into e power minus x, both side divided with e power minus x. What happened, my dear friends? Y is equal to this one cancel, minus x minus 1 plus 5 plus c into e power x. Okay, now this side what happened? Y plus x minus 4. Okay, plus x minus x is a plus, minus 1 plus 5 means plus 4 is equal to c into e power x. This is equation number 2. But okay, my dear friends, what happened? What is given? What is given? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 is given. Observe that. But clearly passing through 0 comma 2, but 2 passing through 0 comma 2. This is x, this is y. Substitute 0 comma 2, 2 plus 0 minus 4 is equal to c into e power 0. This is minus 2 is equal to c. C value 100%, minus 2. Now substituting 2. The required solution is y plus x minus 4 is equal to c value minus 2 into e power x. This is solution for the given differential equation. Or otherwise y is equal to minus 2 e power x or 4 minus x, whatever maybe we will write. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, the integrating factor of the differential equation. What happened, my dear students? Given the differential equation, x into dy by dx minus y is equal to x square. Now divided by x, dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to x square by x means 2x. Now p is equal to minus 1 by x, just p, right? Integrating factor is equal e power integral of minus 1 by x dx, e power minus log x, that equal e power log of 1 by x, that equal 1 by x. Integrating factor is 1 by x. Okay, I hope that understood or not. Okay, my dear students, from the given question, here dy by dx, okay, dy by dx plus ay is equal to, this problem is going on some special. Okay, now observe that actually 1 minus y square into dy by dx plus yx is equal to ay. Now divided by 1 minus y square, dy by dx plus y by 1 minus y square into x equal to ay by 1. Here actually with respect to x means the function in terms of x actually, but here in terms of y. The answer is also in terms of y means no problem at all. We will take the, this is p. Okay, special type. Okay, now this is integrating factor is equal e power y by 1 minus y square dy. Okay, now e power 1 derivative f dash of x by f of x, 1 derivative is 0, minus y square derivative is minus 2y, minus 1 by 2 into minus 2y by 1 minus y square dy. This is equal to e power minus 1 by 2 into f dash of x by f of x means log mod 1 minus y square. Okay, here you will go to the minus means 1 by e power log of 1 by 1 minus y square. Okay, here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 means power 1 by 2, minus means 1 by 2 means power 1 by 2, e log cancel, 1 by root 1 minus y square. This is integrating factor, my dear. I hope that you understood or not. Some logic is there in that question. Okay, this is the problems for the differential equations of exercise that one. Now tomorrow I will explain the miscellaneous examples, miscellaneous questions, miscellaneous exercise. Thank you one and all, my dear students.